Going on today, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our two new 10 by 19 2011 mag blocks into these new Checkmate 19 round mags. These magazines are made by Checkmate, but they also come in the new Kimber 2K11 pistols, and you'll probably see them in some other 2011 style pistols. It is a 126 millimeter size magazine, but it accommodates 19 rounds instead of 17 rounds like your standards. The way this block installs, just like all our other 2011 blocks, they install into the follower. When you're gonna do that, break the magazine down, set the floor plate aside, pull the spring out of the body. Okay, it's gonna install into the follower just like our other blocks. You'll see the key differences in this magazine are it has a shorter, smaller follower. That's how they get the extra 2 rounds. And then they also thinned out the profile of the spring. So our standard 2011 blocks will not work in this magazine. We had to do a total new redesign. You'll see our block is much thinner than our standard blocks. And what you're going to do is you're going to insert it into the spring. It's a nice snug fit. So you got to get it in there. You can wiggle it in once you're done. Once you get it in there, it's not going anywhere. Put the follower back on top of the block, just like that. And then go ahead, reinstall. Okay. And we'll do a test fit. Got your handy dandy mag loader. We sell these on our website. They're great for speed loading. And sometimes, these things aren't the best for 2011 magazines, but they'll work. Okay, your 10th round. It's gonna go nice and easy. And you're not gonna get an 11th round in there. We currently have the 10 round option available, and we are currently working on a 15 round option. If it's listed on our website, it is officially available. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at magblock@gmail.com. Please rate this video. Thanks, guys.